Today is my last day. I have 5 miles into Santiago. It's kind of bittersweet. I'm excited for the end, but also I'm kind of sad that it's over. And now that it's over, I feel like it went by so quick. Total miles from Porto to Santiago, 164 miles I walked in 18 days with 1 full day off. Fresh squeezed orange juice. This is breakfast. Nuts. Good morning.
Good morning.
Yeah. So cool. So here's this little entryway off the street, surrounded by this wall and stone that we have no idea how old it is. And then, ta-da! Bring your kids here. Good morning. It is day 18 on the Camino Portuguese. It's my last day and a little over 4 miles to get to the cathedral this morning. It's cloudy and gloomy, but it's not raining. And we are on the, almost approaching the southern side of Santiago. So I wanted to make sure that I got on here, did my good morning hello, while we're still in the beautiful village and not in the crazy traffic. Say good morning, Angie. We're a little excited to be done. We've both been hobbling a little bit the last couple days. So, all right, we'll see you in Santiago. Solo peregrinos. This says if the road is difficult, it is because you are going in the right direction. This says you don't need to see the road to trust your steps. You can see the cathedral right there.
I have stopped it now. I forgot it for ages.
Yep.
Oh, and this looks cool with the clouds behind it, actually. Huh?
Yeah, she made it!
So here I am right now at the Pilgrim's office to get turn in my passport and get my Compostela.
That whole, you couldn't even walk in there. It was being redone, so it was some sort of side door we went through, so.
There's a side door in there.
No, I mean, it's actually to the side. So I
Oh.
don't, that's like I think that But I bet that little guy in that uniform knows.
So this is the line. This is the line. This is the line. This is the line all the way around to the cathedral to get into the mass.
Each morning at 10:30, there's an English-speaking mass in the chapel in the Pilgrim's office, which is to the left when you walk into the Pilgrim's office, where you collected your certificate. We also, after mass, would like to invite people up to room 6 upstairs in the Pilgrim's office for tea or coffee and sharing some of your experience along the Camino. Also in the chapel, in the Pilgrim's office, you can spend some quiet time reflecting on your experience. There is a 20-minute presentation which helps with reflection. Also at 3 p.m. we have a more in-depth sharing of your experience on the Camino. Once again, congratulations on completing your Camino. Thank you.
I am staying at the Casa Salsa Barbantos, I think. I don't even know if I'm saying it right. I am in Santiago. The cathedral is 1 minute up the road. Nice simple bed. I was going to stay in a hostel tonight, but I didn't feel like doing the walk. So this is a very nice stay, though, for about 100 US for the night. Bed. Oh, it's rowdy outside. They give you coffee. Bathroom's nice. Soaps, hair dryer, basic stuff. But this is part of what you're paying for in Spain. The cathedral's literally right there. I mean, really? I can't even believe we're moving.